If you're a busy dad, working long hours, but wanting more time with your family and have a little extra cash in your pocket, this video is for you. We're diving into affiliate marketing. Hey guys, it's Dave Hodgkinson here, aka Side Hustle Legends, and today I want to talk to you about something that could seriously change your life. Affiliate marketing, what it is, how it works, and why it's the perfect side hustle for guys who are juggling work, family, life. At the end of the video, I'll show you some of the best affiliate products to promote. So let's go ahead and get started. Now in the comments, share what you know about or don't know about affiliate marketing. Just comment, I know a lot, a little, heard about it, or nothing at all. Because I have a lot of things I can share with you based on the comment. So what exactly is affiliate marketing? In simple terms, affiliate marketing is when you promote someone else's product or service and earn a commission when somebody buys through your unique referral link. You're basically the middleman, connecting a buyer to a product they need, and then you get paid for it. And the best part, you don't have to create any of the products, handle customer service, or even worry about shipping. You just need to point people in the right direction and let the company do the rest. You're just a traffic controller. Go here, go there, and get what you're looking for. Now, why is affiliate marketing great for dads like us? Let me break it down for you. So number one, no product creation. You don't need to invent something from scratch. Two, it's low startup cost. You don't need a ton of money to get started. Heck, you can start with $0 if you leverage social media the right way. Now, three, which is important, you can work on this whenever you have time, whether it's during your lunch break, while you're working out, after the kids go to bed, or on the weekends. Four, passive income potential. Once you've set up your affiliate links, created some content around them, and you can keep generating income even while you're off spending time with your family. Okay, now let's talk about the exact steps. And this is where the magic really happens. Number one, you got to pick a niche. This is the area or topic you're going to build your business around. Could be something that you're passionate about or something you know has a lot of potential. For example, if you're into fitness, you could promote workout gear or supplements. The key is to find a niche that has a demand but is not too overcrowded that you're interested in. Now, second, you're going to need to join an affiliate program. You'll need to sign up. Amazon Associates is one of the biggest and easiest to get started with. You can also check out sites like ClickBank, ShareASale, and Commission Junction. These platforms have a ton of products you can promote. Now I'm going to share with you two really beginner-friendly and probably the best ones to start with later on in this video. Now three, once you've got your niche and your affiliate links, it's time to start promoting. You can do this through blog posts, YouTube videos, Instagram posts. You can even on TikTok. The goal is to create content that showcases the product and encourages people to buy through your link. For example, you could create a quick review video of a product you love or a tutorial showing how to use it, and then drop your affiliate link in the description or bio. Now, step four is you got to earn commissions. When someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. It's really that simple. It might sound too good to be true, but it's totally legit. And people are earning real money with affiliate marketing every single day. All right, now that you know how affiliate marketing works, here are some quick tips to get started today, even if you're starting from scratch. So don't let that stop you. Start with what you know. Pick a niche, something you're familiar with. Choose products you've used and believe in. This makes your content more authentic. And trust me, your audience will notice. If you're trying to promote something you don't like, never used before, it'll come across in your content. Start posting short form videos on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. Showcase the product, explain how they help, what it does for you, and always include your affiliate link. Now, I have some tips on how to take advantage of the algorithms. So you gotta have good content, but I'll show you some real easy ways to get started. You don't even need to show your face. Just get started. Now, tip number three is got to be consistent. You've heard this over and over if you're on the Make Money Online side of TikTok or Instagram. Consistency is key. Consistency is key. You're not going to see results overnight, but if you stick with it, you'll start to see momentum build. Remember, you can start small and scale up as you go. Now, if you're ready to take action and start building a side income with affiliate marketing, I've got something for you. It's a 5-day challenge designed to help you set up your affiliate marketing business in just 5 days. It's $5. You'll get daily training, tips, and a roadmap to help you with your first sale as quickly as possible. Plus, you'll join a community of other dads who are working on building financial freedom just like you. That sounds like something you're interested in. Click the link in the description and let's get started. I do have a free step-by-step guide I'm going to share with you. And also in the descriptions, you have the two easiest for beginner affiliate marketplaces to find really good products. They are set up and designed for affiliates. Highly recommend joining both of those. One is brand new and it's going to have a unique opportunity when your customer shops at that place for life. If they continue shopping at that marketplace, even if it's not the product you're promoting, you're going to get paid commission. So make sure you join the Shoply affiliate program. It's brand new. If you found this video helpful, make sure that you hit the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more tips on building online income. Drop a comment below with questions you have. I am here to help. My next video is how to set up a sales funnel. So make sure you subscribe and hit that bell notification. That'll be coming out tomorrow. Remember, you don't have to stay stuck in the grind forever. You've got this. I'm here to help you every step of the way. And until next time, stay legendary.